guys, so the first thing you want to look out is touching your bed with your bare fingers. Our skin has oil layer, which then can get attached to the bed platform and disturb our overall bed adhesion. To be sure it's clean, we start by rinsing it in hot water with dish soap. Be sure to rinse it well, then let it dry. Make sure there are no bubbles from the dish soap left over the bed. Put it back only if you are absolutely sure it's dry. And lastly, let the bed heat to around 45 Celsius and clean it with isopropyl alcohol. Not much, just wipe over it sometimes. Printer placement matters a lot because if it's not placed well, it can mess up our adhesion by uncontrolled vibrations or shifting positions of the whole 3D printer. From my experience, I'm used to placing the 3D printers on the floor. It's the most stable place for them. But you can place them too on working table or some desk. Make sure they are stable enough. And lastly, bed leveling is the most crucial part of this problem. Make sure your bed is leveled well. If you are not sure, try printing some test prints on your bed. But if you have automatic leveling with sensors, then there's no need to worry.